Hello ladies, Shelley West here. I just want to show you some tweaks that I did with change of scenery. I had a great time playing with this campaign, and you can see here's the patterns. This is layout 1, layout 2, layout 3, and I'm just going to show you what I did to switch it up a little bit in case you thought you wouldn't be that excited about it, but actually the papers, the colors, everything is super fun, especially if you're the outdoorsy type. So on this first layout, I decided to use the whole 12 by 12, and I merely tore across the top and the outer edge, and I mounted on the dark side of pine cardstock. I tend to take more vertical pictures than I do horizontal. So you'll see in this here, she's got some horizontal and then some little squares, 4-inch photos. And so I did the 4 by 6 vertical, and then I did 3 by 3 so that I could place them as I did. I used the stamp set that comes with the kit. I will wait for some photos before I add more, but here's the stamp set up close. So I used this on one of my layouts with the journaling. I used Worth the Pause. I used the arrow, and then the rest I'll just wait until I get my photos. Layout 2, now comes some pretty big changes. On this, she's got you tearing and different layers because the back side of this is blue clouds. So anyway, this layout here, let me lay these out. I opted to go, instead of with the linen from this first layout, I opted to go more these little miniature pictures. I liked the play color of the greens, and like I said, I tend to do more vertical. So instead of these 4 by 6, I did 3 4 by 4s. I did put my 4 by 6 over here, and I did over here, but I wanted to pop out and make the pictures stand on their own. So I cut a 4 1/4 by 12 green pine on each of these so that when you lay them together, you can see that little bit of outline for the photos. I also took from the cutouts Go, See, and Do, and I thought that tied together nicely in a fun outdoor, so you could use it in a lot of different circumstances. And then layout 3, white daisy base again, and I used the rest of this little photo print. Like I said before, I like the play of greens and just the dynamics of the changing. I brought in craft cardstock for photo mats. Enjoy the View. These are in the cutouts. They're laser, very fine chipboard and wood. And then in here, so see these trees? You see the trees? I opted not to do the trees, and I did the kind of sprigs instead. And then here's where I stamped for journaling. And then you can always do more photos with flip-flaps. Here's your burlap print. So basically I added, I think, 2 craft cardstock for photo mats, and then I added, I think, 3 pine cardstocks, and I don't remember what came in the kit. But anyway, there's my tweaks, and I will also show you, for those that love using up all your leftovers, I always peel the backing off my stamps, or sorry, off the sticker sheet, and then I can clump these together, and then I don't miss anything. So those are like that. And then all my scraps literally just fit in this 6 by 12 probably. So I have this piece left over, and then some cardstock, and a little bit of the burlap, not much, but I'll play with the tweaks, see about designing some cards with the stamp set, and that's my tweaks for change of scenery. Thanks so much. Ta-ta.